What's up guys, it's Cubs, back with another tutorial. So this one is going to be quick and simple on how to fix FPS drops and stupid little stutters in Fortnite. So the first thing you're going to want to do is type in reg, and then you're going to see registry editor. You're going to run this as an administrator, and if you've never been here before, it's going to come and look like this to start. First thing you want to do is go to local machine, click that, go to system, drop that down, and then go to current control set, hit that little arrow, and then that'll bring another drop down. And then you go to control, bring that little drop down. And then from here, you're going to want to scroll down to power, click that little drop down arrow. And now from here, go to power settings. You're going to see a lot of these here. You're going to want to find the one that ends in 0D00, which you can see is right here. 0D00, and then hit that drop down. Now you're going to come with a lot more of those. Now you're going to want to find the one that ends in 08D1, which is actually right here, almost right in the middle, 08D1. And when you click on that, you actually just click on that once. Click on it. You don't have to hit the drop down. 08D1, just click on it, and then you'll see this attributes here. You're going to want to hit modify. It's going to be at 1 for you guys. You're going to want to change it to 2. Hit OK, and then that'll save it. You can exit out and restart your computer and load up for it. Well, let me know in the comments if this helped you guys, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, guys, peace out.